Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to not get scammed when buying or selling new cars so that you can ensure that there's no salvage or theft records on it. To begin, I'm going to show you guys two websites, which is all we'll be needing for this video. First, you want to go to www.nicb.org, which is the National Insurance Crime Bureau. From here, we're going to press on VinCheck search, the big orange button, and it's going to tell you about VinCheck. NICB's VinCheck is a free lookup service provided to the public to assist in determining if a vehicle may have a record of an insurance theft claim and has not been recovered or has ever been reported as a salvage vehicle by participating NICB member insurance companies. To perform a lookup, a vehicle identification number (VIN) is required. A maximum of 5 searches can be conducted within a 24-hour period per IP address, meaning that you can only do 5 searches per day. Now, this website has recently added a new enhancement. Is now you have the ability to take a photo of a VIN and upload it to VinCheck. But we're just going to be doing that manually. So to begin, I'm going to be putting in my VIN. And we're going to press on I agree to the terms and conditions of use. And then I'm going to press on I'm not a robot. From there, I'm going to press on search VIN. And as you can see, it's going to tell me everything. So VinCheck theft record has not been identified as a vehicle listed in the VinCheck theft records. So that's a good thing. And a total lost record, it has not been identified, so it's a good thing. So that means this vehicle has no problems. So now, this website isn't as good as I like it. My second favorite website, which is the best website in my opinion, is vehicle.report. To go to this website, you want to write www.vehicle.report. And from here, all you gotta do is write in your VIN number and press on check your VIN for free. It's quick, it's easy, it's fast, it's reliable, and it gives you even more details than the other website. As you can see, it's going to tell you that it can take up to 60 seconds to complete, but I can assure you it takes less than 15 seconds. From here on, as you can see, highlights for the 1988 Ford Bronco 2. So it's going to tell you that report was generated on 2023-02-12, which is the date of this video, the VIN, the vehicle age, it's 35 years of age, and the vehicle was made in the United States. The body style has no data, unfortunately. Now, theft records found, none, meaning there are no theft records. Accident records found, none, meaning this car has never been in an accident. Salvage auction records found, none. Sales records found, none. Flood checks found, none. Recalls and defects found, none, meaning this car is completely good and no worries. And you have no worries. Now, it will probably show you photos of the car, but that's coming soon. Now, from here, you can press on next page. And if you give it a moment, it's going to give you specifications. So the make, the trim variations, city of origin, vehicle type. And this is why I love this website. You can literally have every single information about the car just from its VIN. So there you have it, folks. That is how you cannot get scammed and have all your information about a vehicle. I highly recommend going to vehicle.report even right now just to see what your car has been through and what it hasn't. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time we make a new video on Growmore Tech. That way you can be informed every time we have more video tutorials incoming. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.